So today we are going to see William Wordsworth, 1770 to 1850. Birth April 7, 1770. Cockermouth, Cumberland. Death April 23, 1850. At the age of 80 and was buried at Grasmere Churchyard. Father John Wordsworth, attorney at law. Mother Annie Cookson. Some facts about Shakespeare. Wordsworth was the second of the 5 children. He was of moody and violent temper in 1778. His mother died when he was only 8. He was a moody and violent temper. In 1778, his mother died when he was only 8. His relatives sent him to a school at Hawkshead. In 1787, he joined St. John College at the University of Cambridge. Wordsworth's teacher William Taylor inspired him to compose poems. Wordsworth was never serious about his formal studies. His love affair with Mary Eastwaite was very short one. He wrote more than 500 sonnets. He revolted against the pseudo-artificial diction of the neoclassical poets. He knew many languages like Greek, Latin, Italian, French and Spanish. Michael Bupe was his first teacher in politics. According to Wordsworth, poetry is a spontaneous overflow of powerful feelings and it takes its origin from emotions recollected in tranquility. He also defined poetry as the breath and finer spirit of all knowledge. It is impassioned expression which is in the contents of all science. Next है Wordsworth planned to make the prelude and excursion parts of his long poem Recluse that will treat of nature, man and society. The Home at Grasmere was to be the first book of Recluse, but it was not published till 1888. The excursion was to be the second book of the Recluse. The third book was never completed. The excursion, which Wordsworth started writing in 1802, was published in 1814 with its 9 books. It was to be a part of the Recluse. In 1843, Wordsworth became the poet laureate after the death of Southey, though he did not wish it. In 1802, he married Mary Hutchinson. The prelude was published after his death. He commenced it in 1798 to 99 and finished it in 1805. It presents the impressions on Wordsworth's mind from his earliest recollection till his mature manhood. Wordsworth made 2 trips to France in 1790 and 1791. Next, he also joined the Girondists, which were next है हमारा he belonged to the group of Tory. We are studying about William Wordsworth and हम इनके फैक्ट्स के बारे में पढ़ रहे थे. तो नेक्स्ट फैक्ट है हमारा he belonged to the group of Tory. In Orleans, he fell in love with Mary Annie Boleyn. It is said that he had a daughter, Annie Caroline, from her. During his stay in France, he composed a great part of descriptive sketches, 1793. He was much influenced by the political justice of Godwin. The collection of lyrical ballads was published in 1798 with 23 poems, 19 by Wordsworth and 4 by Coleridge. In the second edition of 1800, the famous preface was added. In the third edition of 1802, an appendix on poetic diction was added. One more edition came in 1805. The year 1798 is the publication of the lyrical ballads. The year marks the beginning of the Romantic movement and the death of classical one. So these are some facts about about Wordsworth. And next we see works of Wordsworth in next video.